currently making about 1,000 bikes a week. So we've got two normal lines, we've now got our e-bike line just beginning to get going.
Hello, my name is Neil Adams and I'm the founder of Bordh Tables, and I've had the opportunity today to come up to Brompton Bikes with Unlocking Potential, following on from a lab that I did with them. We've come up to look at their factory, which is, as you can see in the background, is absolutely amazing, and just seeing the streamlined production of some of their bikes and the innovative Will Adams, who's the founder of the company, has been a really great experience. So yeah, really proud, really happy to have been and shown this amazing factory.
Hello there, my name's Alistair Miller. I'm from Cornish Crabbers, I'm the general manager there. I'm here with Unlocking Potential to have a look around this massive factory, Brompton Bikes. One of the big things that we'd like to look at today is their kind of processes and how they have everything in place. And the services that they do to make sure that everything gets out and put in a box and all the customers are happy. But yeah, so far it's been brilliant. Had a wonderful tour around the factory, and now we're off to go to a launch party, which will be very exciting.